Senate is safe, sir?
All the floors. We are sweeping all the floors. We have asked those non-essential personnel to leave, and we will investigate each and every person in that are not essential here.
May pasok po ang Senado bukas?
So far, yes. I'll decide mamaya. But so far, kasi nga dumating yung articles of impeachment at may meeting coordination ang lahat ng heads. Having said that, may I also appeal to any of you or anyone in the Senate, kung may videos kayo na you think it will help the investigation, submit it to us. Kasi maraming allegation, maraming denial.
We have FB Live, sir.
Yes,
We have FB Live.
Please submit it to those kung meron kayong videos, please submit it to those for our investigation.
Sir,
No one's under custody.
Pero persons of interest meron.
Wala pa rin.
Sen, how about the articles of impeachment po? Kamusta? Was it secured?
It's secure, nakaalis na rin yung mga taga-house. I just assure you, kung ano na sa Constitution, ano sa rules namin, may precedence din to. It's just the first time, maraming speculation, pero meron po yan. But I will be interpreted to be talking politics, especially kami sa secretary. So I just assure you, kung ano ang rules, kung ano ang Constitution, ano batas, ano precedent, susundin natin.
SP, is the Senate safe? Is the Senate safe as of now?
We're making sure that is now, but I can tell you, especially for me, that I feel na cargo ko yung lahat ng empleyado at lahat ng mga senador, lalo po yung walang kamalay-malay dito. It was, you know, I don't know how to describe it. You know, and at first, you know, if you get a call from me at this point in time, you wouldn't know that's an emergency. That's why I had to do it so Facebook.
So categorical safe na ang Senado?
Hindi namin masabi kasi I mean, it's secure. It's secure.
Secure.
But
All senators are secure.
All senators are
All
secure.
senators.
How many senators are inside, sir?
I think we were complete sa
Majority. 13?
Except she's
12.
anyone from the minority there. Parang wala naman yan.
12.
Unless
12.
may nasa opisina.
You are all here right now? Yung 12? Nasa loob pa?
Yeah. Except for Sen Bato.
Yeah.
Si Senator Bato. Senator Bato.
Senator
How about Sen Robin?
upstairs.
Yes, also here. Also here. Pagod yung dalawa kasi they've been here the last 3 days.
Magsisiuwian po ba kayo, sir? Or dito lang
We'll
kayo?
coordinate muna with the PNP.
Kami na bahala. I will.
Advice lang.
It is my duty to ensure the safety of all the senators.
Okay.
Whether it is safe to go home or not, I will make that call.
Okay.
And I will make sure that they are safe to go home.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Salamat po.
Thank you, guys.